Vowels, Gibbon Moam. Korean vowels are built from just 3 elements: a horizontal line, representing earth, a vertical line, 1, representing a standing person, and a short stroke, representing the sun, heaven. All vowels are combinations of these. The 6 basic vowels are the foundation. Master these first before moving to compound vowels.
A, O, O, U, 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 으, 이,
Vowels, Boghab Moeum. Compound vowels combine basic vowels to create new sounds. Many add a y sound at the start by doubling the short stroke. Others combine 2 vowels together.
야, 야, 여, 여, 요, 요, 유, 유, 에, 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 예, 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 와, 와, 왜, 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 워, 워, 왜, 왜, 위, 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 위,